Hello everyone, welcome to Electric Vehicles. This is Pavan Kumar. Have you ever thought of buying an electric vehicle on one of India's largest online shopping portals like Flipkart? That sounds good, right? From now onwards, we can book electric two-wheeler Bounce Infinity even on Flipkart. Yes, you heard it right. Bangalore-based EV manufacturing company Bounce Infinity has launched its first and most popular EV model Bounce Infinity even on Flipkart. Bounce has started selling its Infinity Even scooter on Flipkart from 22nd July. This initiative was taken by Bounce to give a seamless buying experience to the customers. And we could say selling an electric vehicle through online e-commerce marketplace is first of its kind in India. And we can expect the vehicle delivered to customers' doorstep within 15 days of booking. According to sources, Bounce Infinity is offering this scheme to customers of 5 cities in initial phase. Rest of the cities will be there in next phase. Here we will get a doubt regarding RTO registrations, insurance and other formalities. After booking the vehicle on Flipkart, the authorized dealer of Bounce Infinity will reach us and they will help us in completing the registration process. As I said earlier, your e-scooter will be delivered in 15 days. And also here we are having an option that we can reach Bounce Infinity customer experience team to get real-time tracking updates on our order. Bounce Infinity e-scooter comes with two charging options. First one is swappable battery option and second one is battery as a service option. Talking about specifications, it has BLDC hub motor with a capacity of 1.5 kilowatts, lithium ion battery with 2 kilowatt hour capacity. Its top speed is 65 kmph and it will take 4 hours to charge this vehicle fully. It cost us around 86,000 rupees for battery, scooter and charger. And that's all for now guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family members. For more such videos on electric vehicles, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we upload the videos. Go green, go electric.